We're gonna head to Interlaken today from Zermatt. Let's go. Dan kemas. Bye-bye Zermatt. You have been amazing, especially up there. Kalau kau nak tengok macam mana rupa dekat up ni, watch my previous video. Okay, we're heading out now. Now we're gonna go to the train. Aku beli kasut RM5 dirham, so RM25 kita. Beberapa saat sebelum kita tutup. Jom, train dah sampai. Okay. Kereta kita balik untuk ke Interlaken. Semua sempat. Dahsyat. Kereta kita ni dalam bis tiang, and it works like a train. So each coach there ada kereta kat dalam.
Kalau dia route mana nama tak tahu kan? Tapi tahu ada benda ni. Betul lah. Betul kan?
Habib, nah.
Okay, we're going there. Let's go in. Here we go. Got in. Basically macam mana-mana bahagian Malaysia, tak ada beza pun. Hey, tengok tu birunya. Tengok tu ada ikan kat dalam. Cantiknya. Ni gua kat Lotong. Ya. Kalau kau menyelam, kau akan nampak gadis ni. Dengan pasir celup kaki ni jatuh dalam air terus. I don't know what that is. Check this out. It's so blue. Wow. Ini pasal naik ni. Clover. Balik. I secretly won this. Ini lembut gebu comel. Ada yang menyuruh bawa kereta tu. Siapa tu?
So nobody in this world is real to him.
Go on a stroll, walking around. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I love this kind of outfit. I'm gonna go in. Tak tahu aku kat mana, tapi cantik juga lah kawasan ni. Itu adalah diorang punya Lotus. I'm buying this. Let's go back.
Macam nampak yang dekat Interlaken. Interlaken yang ni bandar Interlaken.
Oh.
Saya nak apa?
Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah.
Ada orang tau.
Nampak dah pandang.
Ini yang saya.
Ini rumah kita. Let's go.
Oh my god. What the?
Hi. Ya Allah. So traditionally beautiful. Tengok ada TV.
Tak apa jalan pula.
Wih, sumpah rasa cozy, happy. Bring me along. Mak ai. Cantiknya. Oh. Ni vlog ah?
Weh, banyak gila. Weh, sabar jap. Weh, tengok ni. Masuk jap.
Jap.
Room private and then there's room. Satu lagi.
Eh, apa ni?
Sini jap, weh. Tak boleh.
Apa ni?
Do you want a house tour? Weh, banyak gila. Kak Chow, kau dengan Papa kat sini. Oh my god, I will stay here. What? Kak Chow Papa kat sini. I will stay here. No, thank you.
Nampak tengok atas. You can play this tonight. Go downstairs.
Buat house tour dekat Interlaken.
I think it's locked in our mind. I have to make Maggie. I'm too hungry. Ada salmon.
Ibu cakap kita masuk je. Ada 2 tempat tu tau.
Ha?
Ada 2 mesin.
Ibu satu lagi dryer.
Satu dryer.
Oh. Satu masuk je kain, lepas tu kan masuk dryer pula.
Ni kan?
Ni depan.
Ni depan. Ni belakang.
The fuck scary shit. Kan? Oh, dia bunyi berdasarkan bunyi. Okay, how do I? Is it this one?
Kanan, tekan 2. Lepas tu cabut je kunci.
Already we can see the view is insane. Sekarang pukul tolak 6. So orang pukul 8 malam. Macam ni OPE dia. Europe yang lambat sikit malam dia.
Dah. Ni tak
Ada jual sikit-sikit meat tapi yang tak halal lah.
Sedap ke bang?
Cucik lah. Saya level macam tu.
Tak ada yang halal.
Tak ada.
Boss, we can check what's on the other side. So cool. So cool.
Are you sure? Dia tak ada tahu yang mana objek tu. I think. Ni nampak ni. Ini biru. Animal. So that means we have to car. With
Tak pasang.
Tali tamplong. Ini paling gemuk.
Amir.
Awesome. Awesome. I win.
Okay. Okay, go.
Tak nampak tu.
Alia.
Babi dah.
Objek kan?
Kita boleh describe ke ataupun
Dia macam alarm.
boleh describe ke?
Jajak, kita berapa orang kena describe ah?
Anyone can describe kot.
Aku rasa Titan. Tin. Semua orang
Okay.
describe.
Amin tak
So,
nak.
berapa
Dapat
round
1
kalah?
minute je.
Berapa round kalah? Dapat 1 minute je. Round okay lah, betul.
Amin tak nak lah.
1 minute.
It's part of the vlog.
1 minute. 1 minute
Memory.
seorang. Kalau satu seorang bagi clue tak ada, next one.
Okay.
And then sebab kita punya candy tak banyak, siapa yang last kali dapat number dapat kalah is the one that eats the candy. Okay.
Dah.
Oh, lajunya. Okay.
Kan dia. Tapi nak ambil gambar apa? Ambil lah.
Dah pakai tudung lah. Sarah pula tak ada.
It feels exactly like when I was a kid, my family berenam je.
Everybody,
It's a video. Okay.
video je. Cepatlah time.
Tak nampak. Beri jauh sangat. Beri kaya like beri nearer. Still I cannot see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. You ready? Okay.
Ya, Kak Yati.
Challenge dia.
Nak jawab iya ke tak tahu lah.
Okay.
Ya kot.
Challenge a child is born.
Ibu percaya tak buku empat-empat ni semua keluar dari perut ibu.
Contoh.
Esok kau belanja aiskrim
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I accidentally crashed when we were playing games. My timetable is so fucked up. And also, yeah, I had to tidur downstairs and ayah batuk quite gila because ibu decided to open the fan at 2 a.m. We all agreed that ayah cannot sleep when the fan is on. And so I woke up and I went upstairs. I have to sleep upstairs. This is the view outside in the morning. Flowers. Flowers, I guess. Mountains. Well, got eat it. I forgot to inform, I just woke up. I went directly for a walk. Nice. This flower. Ih, nomennya dia. Ada babi. Dan ayam. Break first. Yeah, what she said. Anyway, tempat ni dipanggil interlaken kerana dia terletak antara dua lake. Yang kita tengah hadap sekarang adalah tak tahu mana satu. Yeah. It's a lawnmower that functions just like a house cleaner. Kinda cool though. On YouTube, people are taking pictures here. Ada orang yang baru nak kahwin pun ada student car. You see that? Yeah. Someone wore like a suit. Oh, ini kat We just got from the cable.
Orang tak ada hal lah, dia kata nanti dia tolong.
Go mountain coaster now. Looks like that. Basically, slide it down. Just like that. Here we go. Oh, Saram shit, man. Saram shit. I'm not gonna speed up. I'm not gonna speed up. Go! Here's our pose. Pose our. Done. I'm pose Alia. My pose means I'm right there.
Mendorang dia hijau. Di mana lah berdua? Yang tu
Nak nampak belakang.
Down from the cable car, now heading to the next destination. They have green colored cones, and that's very cute. This is so good. Meantime, I'm gonna walk around now. I bought this. A chocolate. Ini memang banyak cable car. Ya betul. Transportasi dorang. Now we're heading to tempat diorang shooting Crash Landing on You. Just the place yang diorang semua shooting tu. Memang dekat sini. Yep. Tempat demo berlakon Crash Landing on You. Literally this right here. This right here. Nino 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 nino. Na 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 nino 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 nino. Sarang hai. Sarang hai. Sarang hai. Hey, bale. Well, I'm gonna go have dinner now. I guess I'm not gonna feature the dinner. And let's just say I call it a day. Whatever. I'm gonna start my day. But starting today is just gonna be at home. Gonna be a good day at home. Panas, panas. Vibing alone.
Tengok tu lagi cantik tu.
Cantik eh?
Tengok kan lagu biru.
Wow. Mwah.
Oh my god.
Thank you Bu Masak. We are bawanging because we have to tak boleh keluar, so I'm just eating food.
Tak semua orang.
Restoran sejuk gila kat luar sekarang sebab sejuk nak mampus dan angin kuat nak mampus. Angin kuat gila sampai kursi campak-campak. Wow. Zombie apocalypse. Orang miskin. Kecil. Why you sell so small? Nobody would drink. What the fuck?
Macam mana? Nampak ayam tom yum kecil tu. Dress pun potong pun okey je. Apa benda? Dress pun ayam. Ayam dalam tom yum.
Banyak.
Small pun okey.
Nak pergi toilet tak? Amir, dah recording ni.
Gila baju ni. Cuba apa ni? Cantik ke? Cafe.
Itu malam kita pergi.
Virgin, right? So it's time for dinner. And somebody loves me. Tak tahu.
Nak ubat pimple meh?
Tak tahu. Tak rasa ni.
Amir nak ubat pimple.
It's like daun. Looks like wine. Yums.
Kali ni
I'm gonna
3
taste
bilik
that one
2
in a bit.
toilet.
This is what it is.
This is nicer. Trust me.
Nicer. And that is the end for Interlaken / Grindelwald / Isoltward vlog. Thanks for watching. The next one is gonna be to Zurich. Keep watching.